Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like no matter how much money you earn, it's just not enough? Like, you get paid, you feel good for a moment, and then slowly, that money just disappears. No big luxury, no crazy spending. Still, it's gone. Now here's something interesting. You earn $100, but in reality, you only control about $20 of it. So the real question is, where does the other $80 go? And once you understand that, you'll realize your financial problem is not about earning more. It's about understanding where your money's flowing. Most people think money is about numbers, income, expenses, savings. But in reality, money is about behavior. This idea is explained beautifully in The Psychology of Money. Two people can earn the exact same amount. Let's say $3,000 a month. One builds savings, invests, grows, and the other struggles every single month. Why? Because money decisions are not logical. They're emotional. You don't always spend money because you need something. Sometimes you spend because you're stressed, or bored, or you want to reward yourself, or you just don't want to feel left out. And this is where everything begins. Emotion, decision, spending, financial result. If you understand this chain, you can break it. And if you break it, you start controlling your money. Now let's actually track your $100. Think of it like a journey. Your money doesn't stay with you. It travels. Step 1, tax before you even touch it, before your money even reaches your account. A part of it is already gone. Taxes, income tax, sales tax, hidden costs. And this connects to a powerful idea from Rich Dad, Poor Dad. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. So when you say you earn $100, that's not really your money. Your real starting point is lower. Step 2, necessities, the survival zone. Now comes the biggest portion: housing, food, transportation, bills, around $40 to $50. This is not optional. This is survival. And this creates something called the rat race. You earn, you spend, you survive, and then you repeat. There's no real progress, just continuation. Step 3, lifestyle, the silent expansion. Now, here's where things get interesting. As your income increases, your lifestyle increases too. Actually, faster than your income. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's discussed in The Millionaire Next Door. Let me give you a simple example. You get a raise, and instead of saving, you upgrade your lifestyle. Better phone, better apartment, more eating out. And suddenly, even after earning more, you feel the same financially. That's the trap. Step 4, invisible loss, money you don't see leaving. Now, this part is dangerous because most people don't even notice it. Inflation. Your money is slowly losing value every single year. This idea is connected to the intelligent investor. Let's say you have $1,000 today. Next year, it might only buy what $950 buys today. So even if you're saving money, you're still losing purchasing power. Silently. Step 5, savings, the most important part. And finally, what's left is usually $10 to $20. This small portion decides your entire future. But here's the problem. Most people save what's left instead of saving first. And this is where a timeless principle comes in. From the richest man in Babylon, pay yourself first, which simply means before you pay bills, before you spend, you save. Connecting everything. Now, if you look at the full picture, your money is already being divided. Before you even think about it, taxes reduce your income. Necessities lock you into survival. Lifestyle eats your growth. Inflation reduces your value. And poor saving habits limit your future. So the real issue is not earning, it's awareness. Because if you don't know where your money's going, you can't control where it should go. And this is where tracking becomes powerful. How to track your money. Tracking money sounds boring, but it's actually life-changing because tracking creates awareness, and awareness creates control. Step 1, track your income. Write down everything you earn, not just your salary, but everything. Freelance work, side income, small earnings, because there's a psychological trap here. From the psychology of money. It's called mental accounting. You treat different money differently. Salary feels important, but extra money feels like free money. And guess what? Free money gets spent faster. Step 2, track your expenses. Now divide your expenses into 3 simple categories: needs, wants, waste. But be honest here, because most people lie to themselves. They call wants, needs, daily coffee, food delivery, subscriptions. These feel small, but they add up. And slowly, they eat your money.
The goal is awareness. Habits the real game. At this point, you might think, I understand all this, but it's hard to change. And you're right, because change doesn't happen in big decisions. It happens in small habits. This idea comes from Atomic Habits. You don't become rich overnight. You become rich slowly, through consistent behavior. Saving $5 a day might feel small, but over time, it creates discipline. And discipline creates results. Control system. Tracking daily is good, but reviewing weekly is powerful. Every week, just ask yourself, where did my money go? What was unnecessary? What can I improve? This is how you move from unconscious spending to intentional living. You don't need more money to change your life. You need more awareness, because the truth is, you earn $100, but your future depends on how you manage that $20. So start today. Track your money, even if it's just $1.